recorded on this channel in a long time, but you know, I'm cool like that, so I'm going to now. And I don't even know if this is recording. Is it? Yes, it's recording. Okay. So anyway, I'm just gonna start talking about things that make me mad or things that people just say that I need to express. Number one is when people say, you're flat-chested. Okay, bitch, I think I know that I don't have fucking the biggest boobs in the fucking school, so you don't have to state the obvious. Nothing happened. Sorry, I can't change that about myself, cause yeah, it's not something I can actually change. Number two is another body like part thing. You're so tall. You're so skinny. You don't have to state the obvious. I know I'm a fucking giraffe, and I know I'm a fucking toothpick, so you don't have to tell me every 5 seconds. Skinny! You're so tall. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bitch. Please shut the hell up. Please. I'm begging you. Please. Another thing is when people say my hair is messed up. Maya! Oh my god, your hair looks so horrible today. Like, so horrible. Okay, I know I have fucking horrible hair. You don't have to state the obvious. Okay, the next thing is that when people say my makeup looks ugly or looks I'm wearing too much, it's my fucking face. Now I can do whatever the fuck I want with my face. So it is not your judgment of what goes on my face. So your bitch ass can shut the hell up before I go get some makeup and throw it at your eye and make it burn. Let it burn. Okay, the next one is people say I wear the same shoes every day. Cause I have these black sparkly boots that they're just like so easy to put on. I put them on like every day because I don't feel like putting on Converse or something. So I put them on and people are like, Maya, you wear those shoes every day. You got anything else in your wardrobe, girl? Yes, I do, bitch. I got more shoes. These are the fucking comfiest things in the fucking world. So why is it that you care if I wear them? What's your problem? What's your problem? I don't even know. I don't know what your problem is, but I can wear whatever the fuck I want on my feet, bitch. So you can go die in a hole because I don't give a shit. So yeah, y'all bitches that be complaining and stating the obvious need to shut the door because I think I know what I am and what I do. So thank you very much, motherfucker. And yes, I'm recording in my bathroom because I'm a boss. Yes, you guys, I am pretty much done with this fucking video because I'm tired of y'all bitches. So, guess that's it for now. Peace out, motherfuckers. Oh crap, you guys fell. Oh my god. Okay, bye.